friends, my name is Priyam. Today I am going to show you few Linux commands in terminal. So just open the terminal. Okay, so this is the terminal. So the first command is sudo su. So the meaning of this command is super user do super user. The meaning of sudo is super user do. So the meaning of su is super user and du is do. So this whole word meaning is super user do, and this su word meaning is super user. So the full meaning is super user do super user do super user. So I will click on enter. So it will ask for the password of this computer. So we type the password. Okay, so I changed so when I typed the password, the user got changed to root. So in Linux there are two users. One is Priyam and one is root. Okay, so to change the user in the terminal, we use sudo su command. And now to get back to Priyam, we type exit. Now we are back to the Priyam user. So now let's move to our second terminal command. So the second terminal command is ifconfig. Okay, so by this command we can see our IP address. So it is 192.168.43.255. Okay, so in Windows we actually use IP config, but in Linux we use ifconfig. So now let's go to our third command. Okay. The third command is free h. So when we type free h, we can see the memory. Okay, so in my laptop, the total memory is 3.7 gigabytes and 1.8 gigabytes are used, and 310 megabytes are free, and with that. Okay, so that's the third command. Now let's get to our fourth command. So the fourth command is ls. Okay, ls. The meaning of ls is list. Okay, it's the full form of ls is list, and when we type ls in this default directory, this home directory, what all files or folders are there, we can see here, like desktop, documents, downloads, and Priyam, public, snap, and templates, and that. And now if you want to see the hidden folders, also the folders of files, what we have to do, type ls and a. Okay, we can see these hidden commands like hidden files like the gconf, then gnome, then like that. Okay, now the fifth command is pwd. So if you don't know what directory you are in, just type pwd. You can see the directory. So I'm in home page directory. Okay, this was the fifth command. Now let's go to the sixth command. So as I told you, if you don't know which directory you are in, just type pwd. But if you want to change the directory, just first let me know the directories. So these are the directories. So if you want to change the directory, just type cd, means change directory, and just type the following folder. So I want to change the documents. So just type documents. Okay, so just type enter. Now we are in the documents directory. So now we type pwd You see, now I'm in home Priyam documents directory. So this was the sixth command. So now let's move to our seventh command. So as you can see on the screen that the terminal is filled with these commands. So if you want to clear it, just type clear and click it clear. So in Windows we use CLS command, but here that CLS will show error. Just see will show that command CLS not found. So we use clear command. Now if you want to create a new file, so you cannot create like by going to here. Like here, if you want to create one a file, just cannot create like in Windows how we do, just type a new file and we cannot do it. So to do it, we have to go to a terminal, and so the directory is videos. So I will type cd videos. We are in videos, ls. So here are the folders. So now just type Dutch. Just type Dutch. Then the file name is test. I'll give as test, and then the extension I will give as txt, and just press enter. So now you can see the file is created. Txt is created. You can see it's created. So by doing like this, by this command, we can create a new file. So not only txt, we can put like HTML, CSS, or py, like that. Okay? So these were the commands of Linux. If you like this video, then hit the like button, then click on subscribe button, and also click on the notification bell to get notifications when I upload a new video. So thanks for watching.